Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we will learn how can we install Gromacs. As we can see the screen, there are commands based, as we all know that in Kali Linux it is command based installation. As I already installed, so I'm highlighting the commands one by one that can be applied to install Gromacs in the Kali Linux. In this tutorial I have worked a lot, as you are know who are using Kali Linux. It is command based, and we can install any software by using the command to install the Gromacs. If anybody have a problem, it's time taking due to network problems or internet connections. It may takes many time. So I already installed and then record this video because I have faced a lot of problem during the installation. So I tried that it may be helpful for any other researchers, because the Gromacs is used in the molecular dynamic simulation, and I'm trying my best to illustrate further how can we use this Gromacs in molecular dynamic simulations by using command line. The commands maybe are not clear in this video. I will highlight one by one in the description, and I will provide all the commands which I apply to install this software in the description of this video. I think you all will be learn a lot. If anybody have a problem in this installation, can email me. I will be here mentioned, or can be contact with me through comments. I will definitely reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much. If you all want more videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. I will be very thankful to you. Thank you so much.